up, guys, and welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. It's your boy Yonke, and I did just get a haircut, guys, so if I have some hairs on my face, ignore that. But guys, today I am going to be fixing the snorkel on the Jeep. I haven't done much to it since I got a flat. See, yes, it turns on like butter. Good. Damn, it's hot in here. Let's put all these windows down. Oh, we didn't. Oh, that one's stuck. That one's stuck. Psych. You just gotta reach over it. You already know we gotta have the JDM hood latch. Well, guys, we still have a flat on the Jeep. I can't find a tire for it the same size as these, so I'm gonna just have to wait. Still on this one, guys, I need to find the new tire. So I'm gonna just wait a little bit, try to get a full set. But we are gonna be fixing this intake right now. I did just kind of strap it in last second because we're trying to go through the water with my friends over here, and I didn't want it to sink. So I'm gonna reroute this. I'm gonna fix this hole right here that it had. I'm gonna run it through the bottom. I'm gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna get the snorkel on. Okay, guys, so to fix the Jeep, I did get some of this flexible air duct. I did get some hose clamps, and then I did get this 60-degree angle that's, I'm hoping, plastic. Okay, guys, so then we're gonna get these clamps, we're gonna attach everything together, and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, guys, so good news and bad news. Good news is it looks like we're gonna be able to get it on. Bad news is that I have to go back to the store, so I'm gonna head over to O'Reilly's that's right here around the corner real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so no luck at O'Reilly. We're gonna head over to Autozone now, so let's hope they have some bigger ones. They had some here, but they wanted $8 for one. I'm like, cool. So let's get it. Oh, watch out, this guy, bro. Oh, man, that motherfucker almost T-boned me, dog. Sounds, guys, especially in sport mode. Woo! It's a whole different feeling. God damn, car's teeth. Of course, we gotta hit the downshifts. Honestly, guys, ain't no car like the Mustang, swear. That shit was spicy. Damn, look at that red one right there. Alright guys, so the AutoZone is right there. Que se quiten estos chamacos. Gracias. So hopefully they have the clamps right there. Ahí está la mamalona. Cut. El cut. They circle that shit. Alright, mission successful, guys. We got the other 2 hose clamps we needed. So now we're gonna head home. We're gonna throw them on. And let's see how the snorkel works. Okay guys, so since that thing did rip last time, right, it ripped right there, like I can't remember where, but it was all cut up. So I put a new one in right here. I put these in. I put this little elbow in. Oh, this is a dope cut. Okay guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did like it. I did get the snorkel back working and I installed these lights right here. So ya no más falta comprar una llanta, conectar las luces bien, and guys, we'll be off-roading in no time. With all that being said, guys, this was your boy Yonke Vlogs. Be sure to hit up yonkebuild.com, get your hats, get your merch. The jerseys are dropping June 1st, guys, so don't miss out on that. This was your boy Yonke Vlogs, and peace out.